Hello, my name is Hakeem Johnson, and today I'll be going over the Module 5 PCB and app design. So I'll start off by saying I did the second option here for the app design. I'm a computer science major, and I went ahead and I did the first two requirements. I didn't get to do the number 3 and 4, so I'm just shooting for the 75. I didn't have enough time to do the other two requirements, so forgive me. So I'm just gonna start off by showing a quick review of just like my code itself. So for this app, I used React. It was like my first time working with React, so I got to see how everything works a little bit more, and I kind of appreciated that because it is pretty awesome what React can do. And I used Firebase for the back end of the app. So basically, this is a React times Firebase app. So here's the Firebase configuration with the API key, initializing Firebase, and I use the Firestore database instead of the real-time database for my data storage. And this is my app.js file, basically just like importing the database once again, and all the instances. And then this is like all the code that I wrote to do my app. Basically just I created basically like a planner. So I created a planner that is similar to, like, I was trying to go for like the same thing to the Microsoft Teams, but yeah, I don't know that much React yet, so I wasn't able to get that much advanced. But I do have a working app here. So basically the app allows you to make a new plan. So it's an engineering design to planner. So I just thought it was something cool that I can make, just for the next class, and to just get us started with the next class. It was just something cool I could make to like add our plans on here and our tasks. So I just added a few of these as examples that you can add. And it is communicating with the Firebase database here. So we have the milestones here. That's what I call the collection. And then basically every time you go on the app and you add a new plan, it comes here and it adds it to the Firebase database. And then you can come and actually see the data that's being writ to the database. So here are just a few examples. And then I can go back to my app and just do like a live example here. So you can click and say make new plan, pops up with the planner, and then you can go ahead and add a title. So you can say demo video description. I can say this is a demo of my website for the module 5. And then milestone, I usually just add like a date right here. So you can say like a simple message like module 5 demo, and I can put like a date. So it can be like 4/18, and then you can click that. You can add more than one field if you wanted to, but I'm not going to add any more because I'm just doing this for the sake of the demonstration. And then steps, these are just kind of just like the steps you can take to complete this plan and complete the milestones. So you can say the show off code. You can add a new step, display Firebase database, show data communicating with database, and then show the updated plans page. And then once you do that, you can go here and you can click submit. It submits it here to the front page, and then If you go back to the Firebase database, you can see here in real time, it did add the information to the database collection here for the milestone. This is on Firebase. So if you go back to our app, a cool thing as well is that you can delete a plan off of here, and it reflects immediately on the database. So if we go here, we have a button that says remove, and then you can remove it, and it's gone. And then if you go back to the database, it is gone as well here. So that is pretty cool that it is working in real time. So that's pretty cool working with the database. And then for the ones that we already have, we can say see more, and then we can expand the list. So just for the sake of making it look nice on here, I kept it just like this way, that it kind of shows like a card view or like an overview of the plan. But you can always go here and say see more, and then it shows you like the actual breakdown of what's going on within each plan. And you can say see less, and it goes back to the view that it was. So yeah, I enjoyed working with this. It was a good experience working with the Firebase database and actually working with the database. So yeah, it's a simple project, but I enjoyed making it, and it was something that I wanted to do for a long time now. And it was my first time working with React, so I enjoyed it. So thank you.